Hey, so does Helium 10 work in Poland? Which Helium 10 tools work in Poland? In this video, we're going to cover all the tools that work in Amazon Poland, so you can base your decision whether to use Helium 10 for Poland or not. And in the description, you're going to find a free trial of Helium 10 along with the best discounts and a playlist with over 200 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. And many of the tools that we're going to cover today of Helium 10 are going to be in that tutorials playlist. And great to meet you, Vova Evan, myself, seller on Amazon since 2016. Now we're on the page of which tools are supported in which markets by Helium 10. It's going to be linked in the description for you as well. I recommend you checking it because it's constantly updated. So it says here it is updated regularly. So if new tools appear in different marketplaces, then you can check it. Generally, you can find all the marketplaces, for example, European marketplaces here, Middle East, Africa, and whatnot. So, but today we're going to speak about Poland. Basically, does Helium 10 work in Amazon FBA Poland? And what tools are available. So let's go through the tools. Again, I remind you, best discounts, free trial for Helium 10 are in the description. So first one is marketing. You have Adtomic, which is tool for Amazon PPC, and it does support sponsored products, sponsored brands. So basically, these are different types of ads that are within Amazon, basically within Amazon PPC, and with Adtomic, you can use Adtomic for those ads. If you want to learn more about Adtomic, I would recommend you the PPC Academy by Helium 10, and generally about PPC itself. Also, link in the description. It's a course by Helium 10 for PPC. Next one is operations, and within operations tools, you have alerts, which is a really nice tool that helps you get alerted whenever things change on your listing. So maybe review that is negative lens on your listing, and you can quickly respond to that review, basically respond to that customer from within Amazon, try to contact them, or maybe you have a hijacker on your listing or a price change or the dimensions of your product change, whatnot. So alerts is going to help you with the sending straight away an email. And I think it's a really good tool because things on Amazon change sometimes for weird reasons or kind of no reason, just because. Honestly, like it's so weird, but that is the truth. And alerts is going to help you be notified when it happens. So you're not going to miss out on whatever happened and you'll be quick to respond. Okay, the next one is Inventory Manager. It's a great tool for inventory management. So it's going to show you how long you have your stock for. So for example, you tell Helium 10 that it takes 30 days to produce your product and another 30 to ship it to Amazon. And let's say you're having like 10 sales a day. So within 30 days, you're going to run out of stock for 300 units. So let's say if you want to start creating those units, Helium 10 will tell you, hey, you're running out of stock and when to order new stock. Pretty good tool because Amazon FBA is inventory-based business and you can go out of stock easily, you can overstock easily. So with the Inventory Manager, less likely to happen. But of course, you still have to use your own brain and understanding of how to work with products and inventory. So next one is analytics. So Profits tool is a tool for profit analytics for Amazon sellers. And basically it's going to show you your bottom line profit. So you're going to input the price of the product that you're selling, like cost of goods basically. And based on the sales on Amazon, based on all the refunds that you're getting and all the Amazon fees, everything, you're going to have finalized profits within Helium 10 Profits. So you can see actually if you're profiting on Amazon or not. Again, I'll remind you in the description, free trial and best discounts for Helium 10, and also the playlist of tutorials that's also gonna appear here on the screen now, so you can learn how to use most of those tools. So basically for Amazon Poland, Helium 10 is a good option, and hopefully it's gonna be useful for you. I'm wishing you a great day. Let's talk in comments if you have any questions, and have a great life. All the links are in the description for you. Have a great life. Bye.